Welcome back to Nailed It. Today I have this beautiful set for you all, so stay tuned and I'll show you how to recreate it. First, I'll be starting with the gel bottle ink color Princess. I'm going to be applying this on my pinky, my middle finger, and my thumb, and then giving it a cure in my light for 30 seconds. Once that's done curing, I'm going to go back in with that same beautiful color, and I'm going to do a second coat on my pinky, my middle finger, and my thumb, and then I'm going to give it another cure in my light for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to go in with this beautiful color Royal Navy. I'm going to be applying this on my ring finger and half of my pointer finger, and then I'm going to give it a cure in my light for 30 seconds.
Perfect.
Now I'm going back in with that same color, and I'm going to be doing a second layer. Once I'm done with this layer, I'm going to give it a cure in my light again for another 30 seconds. Now I'm going to go in with a very inexpensive paintbrush. I'm also going to be using my Young Nails micro detailer brush. I'm going to be going in with the gel bottle ink, the color Cinderella, and I'm just going to be doing like a swirl design in between all of the colors and layers and stuff. I'm going to give it a flash cure in my light for 10 seconds. So after this layer, I did go ahead and wipe off that tacky layer on both of my nails that I'm applying the design on, which is my ring finger and my pointer finger, as you guys can see here. Once I'm done with that, like I said, I'm going to give it a flash cure in my light for 10 seconds between each color.
Perfect.
Now I'm going to go in with Miami. I love this color. It's this beautiful pink color. And like I said, I'm just going to be doing the same thing. So I did go ahead and use different tools, as you guys can see here. I like to switch it up just so that I can get the look that I'm going for. Once I'm done playing around with that and I get it how I like it, I'm going to give it a flash cure in my light for 10 seconds. Now I'm going to be going in with the gel bottle ink color Mint, and I'm just going to be using this color to apply some more swirls on my nails. I love all of the colors that I chose for this set. I didn't really have a plan when I came up with this set. I was just going by the colors that I wanted to use, so this is what I came up with. So I hope that you guys are enjoying it. I hope that you guys like this set because I definitely like the way that it turned out. I think it's really beautiful and super perfect for the summer.
Perfect.
And now I'm going to be going in with the gel bottle ink color Madam, and I am going to be using this color to apply some swirls on my nails. I think this is the last color that I use for the swirls. And then once I get this how I like it, I'm going to fully cure my nails in my light for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to be going in with the gel bottle ink color Daisy, and I'm also going to be using my dotting tool, as you guys can see here, and I'm just going to add some little playful dots to this design to like liven it up, make it a little bit more interesting to look at. And then once I'm done with this, I'm going to give it a cure in my light for 30 seconds. Once that's done curing, I'm going to go in with my Ugly Duckling No Wipe Top Coat. I'm going to be applying this on my ring finger and my pointer finger. And before I cure that, I'm going to go in with my gel bottle ink. And before I cure that, I'm going to be going in with my gel bottle ink Matte's Top Coat, and I'm going to be applying this on the rest of my nails and then giving it a full cure in my light for 60 seconds. Now for the bling, I'm going to go in with these very inexpensive crystals that I think I got from AliExpress and my Light Elegance nail glue, one of those little applicator things, and my wax pencil. And I'm just going to be applying this on my nails. You guys can see the design that I do here. It's kind of hard to explain it, but once I'm done with that, you guys will see my final results.
Perfect.
These are my final results.
Perfect.
If you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that post notification bell so you guys don't miss another upload from me. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.